Hey, my beautiful sunshine gang. In today's video, I am going to be showing y'all how to style a half wig. Okay, y'all, right here, I was just happy I was getting my life together. Like, I'm just so happy that my hair cooperated with me today. And I'm giving y'all these little swoopty swoops, these little baby hairs and all of that in here today. I was just happy, okay? So the wig I styled today is from Outre from the Converter Cap series. And her name is Miss Mia Moore. And I got her in the color 2-1. Not 2-1. It is 2T130. And this is how she's looking. And of course, she's a half wig, and you can style her in all sorts of ways. And she does come in a variety of colors. Even though my natural hair color is not the same as the wig hair color, I think it turned out pretty good. I still think I did a good job with blending everything and swooping everything to the side and all that good stuff. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. And would y'all like to see more videos like this? Let me know everything. Let me know what you think about this hair color, the style, and all that good stuff. And y'all, that is it. And I will see y'all in my next video.